Huawei's sub-brand Honor is gearing up to launch the Note 10 phablet soon. Before the official launch, images of the device have got leaked comparing it to the massive 6.2-inch display of the Nintendo Switch. The Honor Note 10 will feature a huge 6.9-inch display with thin bezels, however there is no notch on the display this time. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The Honor Note 10 is also expected to offer the company's AI software capabilities, which are to be revealed soon. The smartphone could be powered by the latest octa-core Kirin 970 processor along with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. It is expected to run Android 8.1 Oreo right out of the box with the company's own Emotion UI 8.1 layer on top. The Honor Note 10 is expected to have similar camera capabilities to that of the Honor 10, which has one of its major highlights being the AI-enabled camera. There is a dual lens setup at the back with a 24MP and 16MP sensor duo and a 24MP selfie shooter. Recently, images of Rolls Royce Edition of the Honor Note 10 have popped up online too. To recall, this is not for the first time that the Chinese mobile manufacturer is coming up with a car-themed edition smartphone. It has already launched the Huawei Mate 10 Porsche Edition in November last year. As far as the price of Honor Note 10 Rolls Royce Edition is concerned, the smartphone may cost up to a whopping 999 Chinese yuan, or that is roughly $1,490 or just above 1 lakh Indian rupees. The limited edition device may also get launched alongside the primary Note 10 on July 26th in China. However, there is no official word from the company on the limited edition's launch price, date and stock. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.